Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing well. Today is going to be a lash with me, of course, and this is going to be a refill on my client, and it is also going to be a wet set. I haven't done many wet sets on my channel at all, so I definitely wanted to come out with this video. And again, this is a lash with me, but I am going to add a little bit of educational information in the beginning so that obviously you guys know how to map the client's lashes. I do want to do additional educational videos, but that will be coming soon. So we're not going to be talking about absolutely everything today, but we'll be talking about the mapping at least. So for my client's eye, she wants a wet set and she wants a wet set cat eye. As you know, when it comes to wet sets, cat eyes really aren't, I would say, the easiest to do. And technically, it's not really a cat eye, it's more of an open eye, but it just kind of finesses itself a little bit to look like a cat eye. Cat eyes are definitely a lot easier when you're doing more fluffier sets. But yeah, so we're just going to go ahead and jump right into that. So starting off, what lashes are we going to be using? I'm going to go in with 0.5 lashes for my wet spikes and also for my surprise fans. Now, typically, it just depends on the lash artist. I really enjoy adding fans into my wet set, and that does not make it a hybrid set at all. So what I will do is use majority of spikes all over the eye, and then I'll use very short fans. So for instance, let's just go back to the curls. So for my spikes, I'm going to be using CC curl. And for my fans, I'm actually going to be using a C curl. So when you're using two different sizes, not sizes, but two different curls of lashes, obviously the flatter the curl, when you open up your eye, the shorter the lash is actually going to look. So let's just say I'm using a 7 in a CC curl, and I'm using a 7 and a C curl. Well, that CC curl is going to look like a 7, but that C curl is going to look like a 6 compared to the CC curl. Of course, if you're not using more than one curl, you don't have to use that analogy at all, but this is just in the sense of using more than one curl. So for instance, if you were, let's just say you're doing a volume set and you're adding your spikes, right? And you're using a DD curl and a D curl. Well, if you were to use a D curl with the spikes alone, you would normally use like a 2 to 3 length like ratio difference, right? But if I'm using a DD curl, which is much more curlier and is going to stand out a lot more than a D curl, then I could go in with 1 or 2 more lengths longer than the actual lash, if that makes any sense. But we're gonna go ahead and get right into it so that you guys know and understand. So when it comes to a cat eye, I'm gonna map out the outer portion of the eye first. So starting off in the outer corner, I'm just gonna map out just a little bit. I'm also gonna put a line right in the beginning because I know this is where the beginning starts and this is where my end is gonna start. And then from here, I know my outer corner for cat eyes, I want them to be, how do I say it? Like 2/3 of the way, I want the outer corner to be the longest. So I'm not gonna wait all the way till I'm right here to drop down on my lashes. I'm actually gonna add the longest right here in the outer corner and start dropping down on my lashes from here all the way down over here. So now you just want to add your little segments in here. And these are around the segments that I use. And with this, starting off in the inner corner, I'm going to be using 8. And these are all going to be just spikes. No fans, just spikes. And then I'm going to be adding some 8 and 9 right here. And this is just to introduce the 9. And then right here, I'm going to be adding a 9 and 10s for my spikes. And then for my fans, this is when I'm going to start implementing the fans. Is not all the way in the inner corner, but just a little bit past it. I'll be using 7. So with my fans, I'm going to keep them very short. Now, the whole purpose of my fans when it comes to my wet sets is just to make the base of the lashes look a little bit thicker. It is not to actually add a volume to the lash. It's not to make the lash look thickened. What's to make the lash look thick, but not like very thick. And I use like a 3D to like a 4D fan, so I'm not using a large fan whatsoever. In the next section, I'll be going in with we'll do another 9 and 10, because again, this is a cat eye and we want to make sure that the inner corner to the middle stays short. And again, we'll be doing 7, and then I'm gonna be jumping up a little bit more now. So our top layer 10, no, our top layer 11, and then 10, and then for the fans we're gonna be using 8, and then here we got 12, 11, 9. Here is gonna be 13, 12, 9, and then on the very outer corner we're going to be doing 12, 11, and then 8 for the outer corner. So when it comes to the fans, the longest fan that we're going to be using is a 9. And again, so with this set, around every 2 to 3, well, around every 3 to 4 actually spikes that I place down, I will then place a fan. Again, the fans are not going to be prominent. That's not the whole set, you know. The spikes are the whole set. I would say I'm using mainly around 70% spikes and like literally 20 to 25% fans. I'm not using that many fans at all. Again, every 3 to 4 spikes you'll add a fan. You don't want it to be a spiky volume set by any means, so that's how you're going to keep it under control. And that is also the easiest way that I've found doing wet sets, and also wet sets that are very complimenting and make people feel like they're getting something other than just a darker classic set, if that makes any sense. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this video. This is going to be a refill, and yeah, I'm so excited to show you guys all the other things, and we'll see each other in the next video. This video is going to continue, but I'm going to go. You guys have a beautiful, blessed day, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment down below what you guys would like to see next, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, as that helps me grow. Bye. Honestly, I'm trying to stay focused. You must think I got to be joking when I say I don't think I can wait. I just need it now. Let it swing my way. I just need some love. Gotta fucking with it for me niggas, baby. I just need a thug. Don't you be my blood, hey. We could be the one, hey. Can start with a handshake, baby. I'ma need more than a hug. Girls can't never say they want it. Girls can't never say yeah. Girls can't never say they need it. Girls can't never say nah. Girls can't never say they want it. Girls can't never say yeah. Girls can't never say they need it. Girls can't never say nah. Oh nah. Give it to me like you need it, baby. Want you to hear me screaming every breathing. I don't need a reason, baby. I want it till you can't buy. I give it to you right when you want it. I wanna be in your way. I can be real good. Please don't give me feelings. Hey, I need some love. Hey, I need some love. Hey, I need some love. Hey, and you can't judge.
You don't really call on me like you should. Make up, I roll through the hood. Gotta put everything all good, my love. Your nigga doesn't smoke with me, nah, no way. Trust me, it's all okay. Trust me, it's all. You just need someone that's calm and patient. Something to domination. Watch back, deep stroke, white wine, we smoke, that's why that's combination. You just need some, deal with no complications. You just need some, you just need some late night attention, unconditioned, all that should just do what's best for your mind. How about I just take my time? You call up my line, I fall up inside you. Girls need love too, I know.
Let me tell you something. What's a girl to do when she needs love? Honestly, I'm trying to stay focused. Honestly, I'm trying to stay focused. You must think I got to be joking when I say I don't think I can wait. I just need it now. Let it swing my way. I just need some I just need some love. Tired of fucking with these fine niggas, baby. I just need a thug. Don't you be my blood, ayy. You could be the one, ayy. Can start with a handshake, baby. I'ma need more than a hug. Girl, can I feeling. I can be real good. Please don't give me feelings. Hey, I need some love. Hey, I need some love. Hey, I need some love. Hey, and you can't judge.
You don't really call on me like you should. Link up, I roll through the hood. God knows that everything's all good, my love. Your nigga doesn't want smoke with me, nah, no way. Trust me, it's all okay. Trust me, it's all. You just need someone that's calm and patient. Submit to domination. Watch back, deep stroke, white wine, we smoke, that's my best combination. You just need some, deal with no complications. You just need some, you just need some late night attention, unconditioned, all that you're missing, my baby. Fucked up, shouldn't even have to justify. I get it, I'm on your side. Guys get their way all the time. Besides, pleasure not meant for one side. You should just do what's best for your mind. How about I just take my time? You call up my line, I fall up inside you. Girls need love too, I know.
Let me tell you something. What's a girl to do when she needs love? Honestly, I'm trying to stay focused.